When you've finished your clock design, you're going to come down to the bottom here and click on your assembly. Up to insert and select your clock design for insertion. I'm going to bring it over here and just click on that and then get rid of this window by clicking on the tick. Now you can see that it's not brought it in line in 3D space, so we've got to sort that out. And we're going to do that using the mates up here. I'm going to use a cylindrical mate. So click on cylindrical mate and it asks us for mate connectors. I'm going to go in and I'm going to select the cylinder there. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to select this. You have to move around until it highlights it properly. I want the cylinder there. And you can see what it's done is it's brought it and landed it in place on there. Although it's flipped my design around. So I'm going to click on reorientate secondary axis. If it was facing the wrong direction, I could click on this one to get it to change direction there. But that's how I want it. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to click on tick. Now do beware, for some reason, with the computers being stupid, only doing what they're telling us, it's decided to do another cylindrical mate, and I don't want to do another cylindrical mate, so just click on X there. But we can see that it's not lined it up properly. There's a gap. It might even be when you do yours that kind of this is actually inside this part, so we've got to sort that bit out. We're going to use now what's called a parallel mate. Click on parallel mate. And I'm going to select this face and I'm going to select, oh, can you see it inside there? That face, and it's moved it in like so. For some reason, it's gone off center. So I have to click on solve. And what that does is it just kind of works out all of its maths that it's got to do together to get that right. And I'm going to click on tick because I'm now happy with that. Again, I don't want to do another parallel mate. Computer, what are you doing? Let's just click on the X. And that is my finished design. If you want to animate it, if you go to Revolute 2, right mouse click and go down to animate, just change the number of steps there to 2000 and click on the play button. And it should then show you your finished clock design in all of its glory. Do you know, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking I'd quite like some rounded edges. I'm going to stop that for a minute, come out of there, I'm going to go back to my clock design. And I'm going to use this fillet button here. And I'm going to select, let's select the whole of this face, shall we? And I can make it more or less rounded. Oh gosh, making it impossible there. Let's just put in 1 millimeter, I think, and click tick. And so you see how it's rounded off the edges. I don't think I'd want a round there, but anyway, just to show you. If I now go back to my assembly there, again, you can see that it's updated everything for you like that. So again, we can go back in history and change the future using 3D computer aided design.